In this video, we listed the 5 best welding machines on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX TIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBT250P ACDC is a high-concerned chemical welding machine with EU plug type, originating from mainland China. It is a non-smart device with CE certification, designed for TIG ACDC welding, arc MMA stick welding, and TIG pulse welding. With a rated input voltage of AC 110V, 220V plus or minus 10%, 50/60 Hz, and a rated input power of 5.8 kVA, it offers a rated input current of 26.3 A. The ARC rated output current and voltage is 180 A, 27.2 V, while the TIG rated output current and voltage is 200 A, 18 V. This machine is suitable for welding thickness ranging from 0.5 mm to 8 mm and is capable of multi-use, including stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, and other color metals. It utilizes advanced inverter technology for a stronger, more stable arc and features automatic control of arc initiation and stop, as well as pulse frequency and duty adjustment. Overall, the HITBOX HBT250P ACDC is a versatile and efficient welding machine suitable for various welding applications. Number 2. ANDELI MIG Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 270P PRO is a versatile welding machine from mainland China, with a weight of 12.1 kilograms and dimensions of 488 by 215 by 310 millimeters. It is designed for MIG, CO2, mix, flux, lift TIG, pulse, and MMA welding, with an easy-to-access LCD display for precise welding results. The machine features synergic design and IGBT inverters for efficient and reliable performance, with a wide range of input and output current and voltage options. It is CE certified and comes with a 2-year warranty, making it a safe and reliable option for welding needs. Number 3. HZXVOGEN HVM140 Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM140 is a 3-in-1 flux core welder designed for MIG, TIG, and ARC welding. It is an easy-to-use, portable machine with a single-knob intelligent control system and digital display for precise welding. The welder automatically controls voltage and current for a smooth arc and comes with built-in protection systems for overheating and overcurrent. It is lightweight, weighing only 3.5 kilograms, and comes with a 1-year warranty. The machine is suitable for welding various materials and arrives within 1 to 5 days after ordering. Number 4. HITBOX MIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBM1200 is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine with MIG, MMA, and lift TIG functions, offering high efficiency and ease of operation. With adjustable wire feed speed and power settings, it is suitable for welding metal plates of 0.8 to 4.0 mm, equipped with safety features such as overheat protection and VRD function. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. This welding machine is designed for use with carbon steel and stainless steel, making it a reliable tool for various welding applications. Number 5. HITBOX ARC200D Welding Machine. The HITBOX ARC200D is an intelligent and portable arc welder designed for easy operation and safe use. It features a compact and lightweight design with an adjustable shoulder strap for easy transport. Equipped with intelligent digital display, alarm LED, and welding current reading, this welder is suitable for beginners and small welding tasks. The integrated system Synergy chip technology automatically matches the starting arc current while adjusting the thickness of the metal, making it suitable for DIY, maintenance, repair, and metal fabrication. With a quick start and compatibility with various welding rods, this welder comes with a 2-year warranty and a 100% money-back guarantee for added confidence in the purchase.